Is Tesla on the verge of a game-changing move in India? In a potentially transformative development, insider sources privy to the Indian government's closed-door discussions have unveiled intriguing details about a prospective deal between Tesla Inc. and the Indian authorities. The deal, still in flux, contemplates a monumental initial investment of approximately $2 billion from Tesla into a manufacturing plant, coupled with an ambitious blueprint to elevate auto part purchases from India by a staggering $15 billion. However, these specifics remain fluid, subject to potential changes as negotiations progress. The envisioned deal is poised to be unveiled with bated breath at the upcoming vibrant Gujarat Global Summit in January. Yet, the decision is far from a foregone conclusion, leaving industry insiders and enthusiasts alike eagerly awaiting an official announcement. The states of Gujarat, Maharashtra, and Tamil Nadu are currently under scrutiny as potential locations for the manufacturing plant, owing to their well-established electric vehicle ecosystems and robust export capabilities. The mastermind behind Tesla's ambitious ventures, Elon Musk, had previously hinted at substantial investments in India, with a potential visit penciled in for 2024. Despite the mounting anticipation, both Tesla and representatives from the Indian government have opted for a diplomatic silence, neither confirming nor denying the ongoing negotiations. For Tesla, the prospect of penetrating the Indian market couldn't be more tantalizing. The subcontinent is witnessing a surge in interest in electric vehicles, especially among the burgeoning middle class. However, despite India's fervent push for domestic electric vehicle manufacturing and cleaner transport adoption, the electric vehicle market has struggled to gain substantial traction. The hurdles include high upfront costs and a glaring lack of adequate charging infrastructure. One significant barrier for Tesla has been the prohibitive tariffs on direct car imports to India. The company, in a strategic move, aims to manufacture some of its batteries within the country, thereby circumventing these tariffs. If successful, this could lead to a game-changing scenario where locally manufactured Teslas hit the Indian market with price tags as enticing as $20,000, a far cry from the lofty figures associated with imported models. Piyush Goyal, India's trade minister, had previously hinted at Tesla's intentions to dramatically increase its auto part purchases from India. The ripple effect of this move could significantly boost the Indian economy and solidify the country's position as a key player in the global automotive supply chain. The resumption of discussions between Tesla and India marks a remarkable turnaround after a year-long impasse, characterized by Elon Musk's vocal criticisms of India's import taxes and electric vehicle policies. Now, however, there seems to be a thaw in relations, with India reportedly mulling reduced import taxes for international electric vehicle manufacturers willing to commit to establishing local production units. This potential concession reflects India's strategic intent to encourage foreign direct investment and boost domestic electric vehicle manufacturing. As the world watches with bated breath, the question lingers. Will Tesla's foray into India mark a watershed moment for the electric vehicle industry in the subcontinent? If successful, the implications could be far-reaching, not only reshaping the landscape of the Indian automotive industry, but potentially influencing global electric vehicle trends. In conclusion, the potential deal between Tesla and India is poised on the brink of reshaping the electric vehicle landscape in the subcontinent. The intricate negotiations, the strategic location selection, and the promise of locally manufactured Teslas at competitive prices underscore the high stakes involved. The evolving dynamics between Tesla and India are not only a testament to the global allure of the Indian market, but also a reflection of the strategic considerations both parties are navigating. For now, the automotive world awaits the outcome of these negotiations, eager to witness whether Tesla's vision for India will materialize into a groundbreaking chapter in the company's history. As the story unfolds, one can't help but wonder, will Tesla's gamble on India pay off, and what ripple effects will it have on the electric vehicle landscape? Only time will reveal the answers to these questions. In the meantime, stay tuned for more updates on this pivotal moment in the electric vehicle industry. Like, share, and subscribe to stay in the loop as we bring you the latest developments on Tesla's potential game-changing move in India. The automotive future is on the cusp of transformation, and you won't want to miss a moment of it.